Dear students, welcome back to online classes organized by Gurukul Sampada School for the standard 8. Today, here we are going to learn the subject mathematics. Today, I am going to teach you how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay, in previous lecture, we already studied the angle bisector and how to divide an angle by using the angle bisector. Okay, now here first, what is a perpendicular bisector? Okay, now it is perpendicular bisector, that is it is a line which cuts a line segment into two equal parts at 90 degree. Okay, what is a perpendicular bisector? It is a line which cuts a line segment into two equal parts at 90 degree. Now we are going to study how to draw a perpendicular bisector. So first we draw a straight line. Suppose here we are going to measure the length of line is what? Suppose I draw a line of 8 centimeter named as AB. Okay, and we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So what is the first step? First you have to take a distance, okay, greater than half of the length line segment AB. Means suppose here is the half, so we take, now see here, we take the distance more than half. Okay, and first we keep at point A, then mark a arc on the both the sides of line segment. Okay, then same distance we keep the compass at point B, again draw a 2 arc which could intersect at each other. Okay, and name as a point, suppose C and D. Now draw a straight line passing through these points. Okay, this line is called a perpendicular bisector. Okay, and where this line intersect this line segment, suppose name as a E. Now main definition indicates that line segment, this perpendicular bisector cuts a line segment into two equal parts. So we will check whether these two parts are equal or not. Now, so see here, it is clearly this point E, from A it at 4 centimeter, and also from B it is also at 4, because we already draw a line segment of 8 centimeter distance. Okay, and whenever we draw a perpendicular bisector, exactly it cuts this line segment at its middle point E. Means now this distance is also 4 centimeter, this distance is also 4 centimeter, and this line AB is of 8 centimeter. So first is what? This AE is equal to BE is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, and now second is what? In two equal parts at 90 degree. So we check whether that angle form. So which angle now? Angle CEB or angle CEA. We measure the angle CEB now. Now we take protractor here, because protractor is used to measure an angle. So now see here, okay, I kept exactly, see here, this angle is made, it is from 0 to 90, and therefore the angle CEB is equal to 90 degree, and we know that this angle CEA also 90 degree, because angle CA and the angle CB are linear pair angles. Means sum of both these two angles is 180 degree. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to draw a perpendicular bisector of line segment. Within 1 minute I will just revise. First you have to draw a line segment of given distance. Suppose here we are considering draw a line segment AB which is of 8 centimeter. The next step is what? Take a distance in the compass which is greater than the half of this AB. Suppose like this. Suppose now this is a middle point, this is half distance, we take more than this, then mark the arcs on both the sides, same distance, keep now compass at point B. These two arcs will intersect at point C and at point D. Then draw a straight line passing through this point C and D which cuts a given line segment at point E, and that is our aim. That is, whenever we draw a perpendicular bisector which cuts this AB into two equal parts, that is A is equal to B is equal to 4 centimeter. Next we measure these angles CEB and CA, both are of 90 degree. Yes, therefore perpendicular bisector cuts the line segment into two equal parts at 90 degree. Okay, so you try at home, take a distance of AB as a suppose 12 centimeter. This is first problem for homework. And second, take a distance AB, that is a line segment, as a 4 centimeter and draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, thank you very much.